How to turn on or turn off high efficiency pictures photo format in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we tap on the control button here, then tap on settings. In camera settings, go down and then tap on photo format. Next, in here, you want to tap on high efficiency pictures. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here's with high efficiency pictures, you can save space by capturing photo and pictures in high efficiency image format. That is HEIF. And some apps and websites don't actually support HEIF. So if a particular website that you want to upload to doesn't support this format, you may need to switch it off for the maximum compatibility. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.